Hello and welcome to Believer. I'm Tainley and I'm a web developer here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a blog post on your website. First, you're going to need to log into your dashboard, and in here, in the left panel, you will see post. So click on that and you will see all the blogs that are already published on your website. In order to add a new blog post, click Add Post button here. So in here, you will see the title, the feature image, the excerpt, and the blog, which is post content. I will explain with the example for the purpose of each feed. So if you look at the BBC News, you will see many blogs here. And each blog has image, the title, and the paragraph under it. So the image is a feature image. This is the title, and this paragraph is an excerpt. The purpose of the excerpt is to tell the reader what this blog is about. So, which means it's the summary of the blog post. And if you click one of the posts here, it will take you to a single blog post, and you will see all the contents here. This is the post content. Okay, so let's get back to our editor, and you can add the title of your blog post here. Title. You can set a feature image. So set feature image, and you can upload it. You can use the image that are already on your website, or maybe you can upload it from your computer. So I will choose one image from the website. And for the excerpt, just like that, you can type the summary of the blog post. And for the post content, this is mostly like a Microsoft Word. So which means you can change the typography, you can change the color of the blog post. For example, like if you want to add a heading, type slash and search for heading. So heading, this is the heading. So this is heading, and you can change the text color here. And if you want to add a background color, you can add a background color also. For the font size, there is a predefined values by Microsoft. You can use that, or maybe you can click on that and you can set the font size by pixel. And also if you click on three dots here, it will show all the other options that are available for this widget. So I won't go deep into this topic because it is better to explore it by yourself. And if you want to add a paragraph here, just simply type, this is by default the paragraph. And also for the paragraph, you can also change the text color, add a background color, or maybe you can tweak the typography like in a heading. And if you want to add an image, just slash image, and you can it's the same as feature image. You can upload it from your computer, or maybe you could use the media library, and I will use media library here. So I will click one image and select, and it will show up in your blog. And one thing, like if we look at the example, each image has a small text under it, which is the image caption, and the purpose is to tell what this image is about. So, and in here, if you want to add a caption, select the image, and this block will show up, and look for this icon, which is add caption. So click on that, and it will show the cursor under image, so you can add the caption here. Okay, so like imagine you have already created the blog content and you are satisfied with it, you can publish it. But before you publish it, like just click on post here, and you can check the blog content here, and also you can schedule the blog post. For example, like by default is immediately, which means like as soon as you click publish, and your blog is live on your website. But you don't want that, and you want to schedule the blog post, click immediately here, and you can set a schedule for the blog post. For example, you want to publish it only at 31st, so click 31st, and you can select the time you want to publish it. So if you select a date and set a time here, and the publish button will change to schedule. Okay, and also under it there is categories and tags. For the categories, this is which category this blog is about, and you can add the categories here. But if this blog has a new category, you can add an add category here and create a new one. For the text, it's typically the same as categories, but they have different purpose based on the website. So as soon as you publish it, the blogs will live on your website by the custom design that is specific for your website. So this is how you publish a blog by using Classic Editor. But if you're familiar with Elementor and you want to edit with Elementor, you have to keep in mind that if you change edit with Elementor here, it will delete all the post content you created. The title, the feature image, the ASAP, they stay the same, but the post content will get deleted. So be careful if you click edit with Elementor. And to make things easier, we have created a sample blog and somewhere in the blog links. So search for sample. Here is it. So if you look into it, there will be some example blogs that we created for you. So take a look at it. And if you like the design or if you want to use it, you can directly copy from this sample blog to your new blog. Okay, this is how you publish a blog post on your website. So if you have any questions or you have any difficulties, you can reach out to us anytime and we'll help you solve it.